In Japan, April is a season of cherry blossoms and new beginnings. This year, a number of systems and rules are set to change, starting April 1st. A blue ticket system for traffic violations was introduced for cyclists aged 16 and older. The new system applies to minor traffic violations. By paying a fine under the system, offenders will be able to avoid criminal penalties and will not receive a criminal record. The system will cover 113 types of traffic violations, including using smartphones while riding. Police will first give guidance and a warning to violators, and a blue ticket will be issued only if the cyclist does not follow the instructions. However, for violations that carry a high risk of serious accidents, a blue ticket may be issued immediately without prior warning. The fine for using a smartphone while riding will be 12,000 yen, or about $75, which is the highest penalty under the system. Running a red light or riding against traffic will result in a fine of 6,000 yen, or $37. In addition, cyclists who ride while holding an umbrella or wearing earphones that prevent them from hearing surrounding sounds will face a fine of 5,000 yen. Furthermore, an amendment to Japan's civil code introducing joint custody, which allows both parents to retain custody of their children after divorce, took effect on April 1st. The country's civil code had previously permitted only sole custody, meaning just one parent would have custody of minor children following a divorce. Under the revised law, parents will now be able to choose joint custody, allowing both the father and mother to share parental rights. At the time of divorce, parents will discuss and decide whether to opt for sole or joint custody. If they are unable to reach an agreement, the family court will make a determination based on the best interests of the child. In cases where there are concerns about harm to the child, including domestic violence or psychological impact, sole custody will be granted. The new system will also apply to couples who have already divorced. If they file a petition with the family court and receive approval, they will be able to switch to joint custody. In addition, the revised law introduces a statutory child support system, enabling custodial parents to claim a minimum of 20,000 yen per month from non-custodial parents, even if no prior agreement was made. It also establishes a mechanism to prioritize the seizure of assets to recover unpaid child support.